looking very smart, setting sail at sunrise, ready to depart. With a map in hand and a crew so brave, we'll explore the oceans and ride each wave. Sailing ship adventure, oh what fun, underneath the bright shining sun. With the wind in our sails and the sea so blue, we're on a journey, just me and you. Seagulls flying high, dolphins swimming by, we'll wave to them and give a happy sigh. With a telescope, we see lands afar, every day a new place, every night a star. Sailing ship adventure, oh what fun, underneath the bright shining sun. With the wind in our sails and the sea so blue, we're on a journey, just me and you. All the places we'll discover, stories we'll share, from pirate treasures to castles in the air. With each new island and every bay, we'll make new friends and laugh and play. Come aboard, the adventure's never done. With our hearts full of joy, we'll sail